up, JT Squad? This is a day in my life. We got a sports bet thing going on right now for the NCAA tournament. Yesterday wasn't too good. Bunch of upsets. We end up losing like 60 bucks on that. We're going to place 2 bets, 2 $20 parlays. Mom has the first half of games. I got the second half of games. But let's head up to Rampart Casino. Let's go see if we can win on some of these sports bets. I also have a bet on Kyle Busch to win the race Sunday, which is today. So, if I win that, it's a $20 bet. You win $260. Let's go check it out. Let's do that. Got some laundry to do. We're going to do another food review. I'm just not sure which one. If you're not subscribed to Sin City Food Review, subscribe to that channel. So let's go. I'm going to show you a day in my life on my day off. Made it to Rampart. We're gonna go place these sports bets. We're gonna try $20 in my $5 free play on a machine. Don't really have too good luck here, but fingers crossed, maybe we'll do something good this time. So we're gonna go in there, check it out, cross our fingers we win something. Then we're gonna go back home, watch these games. We gotta do the laundry too, so get all that done today. Look, it's hissing. Hey, buddy. Just got out of Rampart. We placed our sports bet, then played a little Buffalo. I just put 20 bucks in. It was up and down. We got up to 37, back down to 10. Then we lost the first 20. I said, let's try 20 more, $40. We were down to 3. Hit a bonus, got up to like $31 and cashed out down $8. So that's a win at Rampart. We never win at Rampart. So down 8 bucks. We're gonna go do the laundry, go home, watch these games. Hopefully we hit on one of these sports bets. One of the tickets is for like 100 and how much, Mom? 90 or something like that. And then one's 140 or somewhere around there. So we have a chance to hit them both. That'd be awesome if we hit them both. If not, at least if we hit one. And we have the Kyle Busch race today, so possibility of making $600 or $700. And we got a special thing cooking since we weren't able to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Laundry's done. Mom's first ticket looks like Loyola Chicago upsets Illinois. But we still have my ticket to go, and we got the NASCAR race. But let's head back home. I might take a little nap. I don't know. It's my day off. I don't sleep a lot during the week. So let's go back home and see if we can win one of these tickets. So since we didn't get to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, we have some corned beef, cabbage, carrots, and some potatoes in there cooking. So now I think I'm just gonna take a little nap, like an hour and a half nap. Like I said, during the week I barely get any sleep, working all week, so I try to take a little nap on my days off. So I'll probably lay down for about an hour, get up and watch the rest of the race, and then my afternoon games. Mom ticket is out. Loyola Chicago upset Illinois. So I didn't really sleep during the nap, 20 minutes maybe. Time to crack open a beer. The race is on right now. I just checked, Kyle Busch was in 3rd place. Like I said, he's gotta win. If he wins, I collect 260s. SpaghettiOs with hot dogs. Yeah, I still eat that shit. Corned beef, cabbage. Ooh, it's smelling good right now. That should be done in a few hours. All right, 3 laps to go of the stage. Kyle Busch is in 4th place. There's still like 120 laps to go, but Kyle Larson is killing the competition. I don't know what's going on. So hopefully there could be a couple cautions, couple wrecks. Kyle Busch was in 3rd place. Too fast exiting pit road all the way back to 15th. So 91 laps. If you're in the front, it's pretty high speed, so there's got to be a prayer for him to come back. But 26 laps to go. Kyle Busch is in 6th place, or he jumped into 5th. He looks like he jumped into 5th place. It's going to be tough without a caution. Kyle Larson has taken over the field. 14 seconds behind Kyle Larson is Kyle Busch. 3 laps to go, about to be 2. Kyle Busch is stuck in 5th place. 14 seconds behind the lead. Somehow Blaney took over the lead over Larson with 2 laps to go. That's kind of crazy because Larson was leading the whole race. But I'll keep trying. Down 40 bucks in 2 NASCAR races. We are reliant on our NCAA sports bet. I got Houston money line, Oral Roberts +9 on the spread. I got Villanova money line and Oregon State +6. $129 if I hit. That's our last ticket of the day. Mom lost hers earlier. I lost my NASCAR pick. Kyle Busch, he took 5th place. Go figure. So this is the last one, last chance. And then we got tomorrow's game. So tomorrow morning we're going to make 2 more bets in the morning and see if we can hit on those. But so far, sports betting hadn't gone that well. Hadn't gone that well this year. So we're going to keep at it, keep trying. Eventually something's going to come through for us. Thank you guys for watching. We're just showing you a day in my life. It's not that exciting. We did eat some amazing corned beef and cabbage. And we're doing some sports betting, ate a bunch of food today, and yeah, we're just chilling at the house. Sometimes, even though I live in Vegas, I know a lot of people think I'm over here gambling and I'm over here partying, I'm at this bar, that bar. You're still living your life, you know. You got to save money, like I'm doing really good at saving right now, and you got to progress, you know. Sometimes when you move somewhere new, it takes a little time to get adjusted to the surroundings, but today we hit 7 months living in Las Vegas, so that's a good accomplishment. Got everything I need right now. Also, got the Embrace the Hate shirt on. We're going to be starting some new merch sometime this summer, and this shirt's still selling like hotcakes. I don't know why, but I think it's a cool shirt. I still wear it. And also Life Crusher apparel starting to take off a little too, so I appreciate everybody that's supporting me and my movement and stuff like that. I'm going to start doing some more t-shirt giveaways and some merch giveaways. I got some masks. I cut out some vinyl the other day. I got to get those ready. But let's go and check out and see if we can hit on this one at least, please. Little update on the scores. Houston is down by 8 points. I picked them on the money line, but there's still a lot of game left. There's still like 14 minutes in the second half. Oral Roberts is down by 5. I picked them on the spread. They can lose by 8 or less. So hopefully Houston could come back a little. I still got 2 more games later on, and that's a little update. Hopefully things could turn around a little bit. Oh my God, Houston was losing the whole game. Now they're up by 3 with 9 seconds left. I picked Houston on the money line. Final, Houston pulled it out. They're like losing the whole game and end up winning right at the end. So next up we got Oral Roberts and Florida. Now this one's a crazy game right here. I had Oral Roberts in the spread. That means they can lose by 8 points or less. And I still got that. And check it out. They're up by 2 with 1:17 left in the game. So the likelihood of Florida, even if they win, coming back and scoring 10 points, 54 seconds left now, is pretty slim. So I think we got that one. And I got Villanova money line, and Villanova's up by 15 right now. Oral Roberts upsets Florida. I picked Oral Roberts on the spread, so great pick. Check out this score at halftime. Villanova up by 20. I got Villanova on the money line. If this score holds, or they hold it at that big a lead, or even if they win by 1 point, I got that one. That means we'd be moving on to game 4 of my parlay ticket, $129 win. We got Villanova money line. Looks like they just took a 22-point lead with 2:26 left. We have one more game, and it looks like right here Oregon State is up by 17 points. I picked them. They were actually an underdog, and they had a 6-point spread. So that game's looking really good. Looks like Villanova captured that one, up by 23 with 12 seconds. Now we just got the Oregon State game. 29 seconds left. I got Oregon State in the spread. That means we did it. We hit for $129. Finally, a sports bet we won. Well, that's the end of the vlog. I know it wasn't the most epic vlog from Vegas, but that's a day in the life of JT. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed so you didn't miss all new content coming this summer. We're changing the whole channel around. Thank you guys again. Love you. See you next time.
Hey. Yeah. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Hey. Yeah. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Hey.